Boy, you are, Richard. Oh my gosh. You are so good. You are so good, Richard. What a good bird. Yay. Yay, Richard. Want to sit on my lap? Yay, Richard. Where are you? There you are, Richard. Here. Could you be a better bird? I don't think so. Richard is a good bird. Richard's a very good bird. I can't even find you. There you go. That's my pretty bird. That's my pretty Richard. What an amazing bird you are. Oh, I just love my Richard. I just love that Richard. Yes, I do. He is so good. Who ever heard of such a good bird? Oh my gosh. What an amazing little bird you are. You want to step up? You want to step up? You don't even bite, do you? No? You just want to sit in my lap forever. I don't blame you. I don't blame you. You silly baby. You got raisins on your beak.